Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to delete completely your account inside Flirt, okay? So at the home page, you just go to your profile picture right here, go to My Settings, and choose the last one, Remove Account. You just choose it. You just put your password, of course, to make sure it's you. Continue. You just go right down and choose the last one, the last circle, that is remove completely my profile, my contacts, and all personal information. Continue. Now here you just have to make to give some explanation on why you are deleting your account. I just go to I found another person inside Flirt. Continue. You just choose this one. Yes, I want to remove my account. Are you sure? They are just asking you, are you sure you want to blah 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 blah. Just hit yes, I want to remove my account. Continue. And then they will send you a code to your email address. Okay, here's the code. You just copy back to Flirt. Okay, close this, go to your settings again, My Settings, remove this account, put your password again. Then you have to paste the code they sent you on your email address. You just paste the code, hit continue, and that's it. You have removed your account completely. Okay, so that's it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learn it, how to delete your account from Flirt. So I see you on the next video. Thank you so very much. Bye bye.